Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get up to 50% off Uber coupon codes for your next ride quickly and easily. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. In order to get Uber coupon codes for your ride, first of all you will need to open your prefer browser on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or desktop. Go ahead and launch your prefer browser. Okay? Once you are on the home page of your browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your screen. Go ahead and type Uber coupon codes and search for it. Once you click on the search button or enter button, with that you will find different links of different websites. Okay? You can head towards any one of these websites and from there you can find Uber coupon codes. But among these websites, this one, Grab1 is one of the genuine websites where you will find incredible deals and offers for Uber. Okay? So go ahead and simply click on this Grab1 website and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes for Uber. You can see here the list of tons of available coupon codes for Uber. Like 25% off, 15% off, 5% cashback and so on. You can grab any one of these offers which are available here. And for that, what you will need to do is, you will need to just simply click on the offer which you like the most. Okay? Let me click on this offer that is 25% off and this will lead you to another page where you will find a code for that. You can see now the code has been successfully copied. After that, it will be asked with you whether you want to continue through the app or you want to continue to website. So go ahead and choose the one which best fits to you. Okay? Once you are on the official website of Uber, there you will need to log in into your Uber account. Okay? And for that, you will need to tap on this login button and afterwards you will need to enter your credentials and with that you will be logged into your Uber account. And in case if you don't have Uber account, then you will need to click on the sign up button and you will need to follow the on screen prompts and with that your account on Uber will be created. And afterwards you can also log in into your Uber account. Once you are logged in into your Uber account, afterwards you can book your ride and finally when you move to the checkout page, there at the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which is copied previously and apply that. And with that you will get the discount will be applied to your total. It's that easy. And in this way you can save significant amount of money on your ride by using Uber coupon codes. Okay? Now let's head back to the Grab1 page. Likewise you can also try other offers which are available here. And you will need to use the same exact steps which we used previously. And with that you will get discount on your ride. Okay? Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. And there beside this Grab1 website there are also tons of websites through which you can get Uber coupon codes and you can save on your ride. Okay? So friends, that's all about on how to get up to 50% off Uber coupon codes for your ride. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching and until next time, have a happy saving.